Hi mga ka-travel, may plano ba kayong mamasyal or mag-quick vacation sa Pampanga at naghahanap ng budget-friendly na hotel? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Nag-book pala kami through Agoda para mas makatipid. Pwede rin kayo mag-book via Agoda and use our promo code na CHEFAMAGODA to save up to 10% off. Dito pala kami nag-book sa Apollonia Royal Hotel located sa Angeles Clark, Pampanga near SM Clark, Clark International Airport, cafes and also sa mga tourist spots. Apollonia Royal Hotel isa sa mga sulit at comfy hotel dito. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 12 noon. We book one superior king room with one king-size bed and nasa around 2,000 pesos lang tax included na, and this is not sponsored. Meron silang free parking at 24-hour security na rin. Pagdating namin sa lobby, malinis, simple at maganda. Very welcoming ang mga staff, nag-check-in na rin kami and napakabilis din ng process. Need lang ng one valid ID for confirmation. After check-in, nagpunta na kami sa room. Nasa third floor nga pala ang room namin with city view na. Pagpasok nga namin sa loob, simple pero malinis at ang nagustuhan namin yung amoy ng room. Mabango, ang lakas makamayaman. May free wifi, TV with YouTube, cabinet, mini ref, may complimentary coffee, tea and water. May coffee table na rin at aircon. Sa comfort room naman, malinis, mabango, may bathtub, may hot and cold shower, complete toiletries at may hair dryer na rin. And also the towels. Meron din silang restaurant sa loob ng hotel, wala lang free breakfast, pero pwedeng mag-order ng food anytime. And kung gusto mo naman mag-chill, may drinks din sila, tabi lang ng swimming pool area. Yes, may free swimming pool access din, hindi lang heated kaya hindi na kami nakapag-swimming. May Rad Cafe din sila sa tabi ng lobby, more on Korean food and drinks, pero di na namin na-try. Overall, sulit ang stay namin dito, komportable kami nakatulog at mababait ang mga staff. Parang feel at home lang. So kung naghahanap kayo ng budget-friendly hotel sa Pampanga, try nyo na ang Apollonia Royal Hotel and book via Agoda and use our promo code na CHEFAMAGODA to save up to 10% off. If may mga question kayo, please comment or message us. Thank you! Please follow us for